It's Sanbrand and Vasela. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy first day. Please take care of yourself. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. Firstly, I'm gonna start with Gogo Maweni, aka the Richie Sangoma. So Gogo Maweni took to her Instagram story, and this is what she posted. She revealed the blog list. One thing about Gogo Maweni, she's a business woman. I mean, she has just a blog, 860 people. Look, I don't know what is happening here, but one thing about Koko Mawini, don't mess up with Koko Mawini. She's gonna block you. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go to Nosipho, who is the Mamkulu and Pumelelo's first, soon to be the first wife. So she posted these beautiful pictures. You can see one thing about Nosipho, she knows how to dress. And this lady went on to say that you are my favorite now since Vuyokazi is no longer in the picture. Kanti guys, these people are competing or they are just dating Pumelelo. So now that Vuyokazi is not there, you're gonna choose a Nosipho. So when do we end up being here where you have to choose Nosipho versus Vuyokazi? That's totally unfair. If you really love Vuyokazi, love Vuyokazi. If you really love Nosipho, love Nosipho. So yeah, man, she knows how to dress. One thing about Nosipho, she really know how to dress. Love this for her. And even under the conversation, guys, she know how to engage. She did reply for your people. One thing about Nosipho, she would not just post the picture and then just be quiet. She understand that you know what, you need to respond with your fans. You need to connect. Anyway, guys, another story that's very interesting. It is a Qinile. Qinile, she's standing on business, honey. And people are really proud of Qinile. The only revenge you can do as a woman, if you broke up with someone, the best thing you can do is to make sure that you take care of yourself. Uqinile, she's really doing well for herself. She went back to school. She's busy with her business. She's also back to do those makeup where she's makeuping people. She was also in Durban July. She has a lot of clients. One thing about Qinile, honey, she is really making money these days. You can say it good for her. So somebody said that I've never seen somebody looking so good in white as you. I'm not gonna lie, she really looked, definitely you are the girl you think you are. Yes, guys, she is a very pretty. I love this for her. May she continue taking herself and live the best life. Anyway, guys, that is a story for today. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. A happy face day. Please take care of yourself. Bye.